Sanibonani. Ngiyengizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. Lalela mntomnyama. Abelungu namabhunu had a problem and uGibson Makhandu was the solution. What if uMandela lo owaphuma eVictoria Vesta camp ngo-1990 akusiyena lo Mandela owangena eRobben Island camp ngo-1964? Amahemhem aqala ukuvela ngo-1980 ukuthi uMr Nelson Mandela la ekhona eRobben Island camp akekho right, uphethwe ituberculosis kanti namehlo akhe ayamhlupha. Kwathi sekushaya u-1985 kwakusekuvela istatement esanikwa uMr P.W. Botha ukuthi uMr Nelson Mandela akasekho. At that point, amabhunu nabelungu had a problem if abantu abamnyama find out ukuthi iqhawe labo is gone. Washiya kanjalo-ke uNelson Mandela ngo-1985 esase-Robben Island. Yaqala inkinga for uP.W. Botha. Sekumele atshena abantu abamnyama ukuthi ihero yabo ayisekho. And so uMr P.W. Botha wakhetha ukuthula, wakhetha ukuthi anze uplan B. And uplan B wakhe was uGibson Makhandu, umuntu who was said ukufana nse no Mr Nelson Mandela. And so bambiza uGibson Makhandu, bamkhokhela imali thizeni, kwathiwa uzo-actisa okwaNelson Mandela. Bamfundisa ukuthi adle njengaye, bamfundisa ukuthi ahambe njengaye, bamfundisa ukuthi akhulume njengaye uNelson Mandela. Washaya u-1990 waphuma uGibson Makhandu ejele, waphuma uGibson Makhandu eRobben Island. But unlike most people, abantu ababe close no Mr Nelson Mandela baqala babona ukuthi no, as much as ehamba njengaye, as much as edla njengaye, as much as ekhuluma njengaye, kodwa akafani naye. uMandela lo wangena eRobben Island ngo-1964 wayekacule athi Kiss the Boers. Kodwa uGibson Makhandu lo waphuma eVictoria Vesta camp yena wecula athi siRainbow Nation asibaxolele. Wethi izitha abangani bethu benza iphutha. Wethi i-democratic country ucela sonke siphilisane. After all the suffering eyenzeka kumntomnyama, after all the pain esesizwile, after all the people